All right, ladies and gentlemen, last video of the year for you. I hope you're all ready. I've enjoyed working with you guys this year. I know fourth quarter's been quite a bit different than what we're all used to, but for those of you who have been doing the stuff, I greatly appreciate it. And if there's anything that I can do to help you guys out, just let me know. All right. So last thing I want to talk to you guys about for the year. Factoring trinomials. Okay. So trinomials, these are polynomials with three different terms, and we're going to want them in standard form when we go about factoring these. Okay? We want them in the form x squared, then the next term we want to be is bx, and the last one is c. Now, b and c are constants, so we're going to go from highest power of x to just x to no x. Now, the reason why we do this allows us to simplify the process of factoring. Because what we're going to try to do, we're going to try to change it from a trinomial into two different binomials. Now, the reason why we would do this is if we were going to solve an equation. So we're going to start off with example 1 here. That's going to be the first one we are going to factor. And let's get right to it. Okay. So first up, we have x squared plus 7x plus 12. Now, there are a couple key things that we look for. First thing, you look for the sign in front of the c. So in front of the term with no x, you look for the sign. If this is a plus, well, that means we're going to have same signs. If that is a minus, that means we're going to have different signs. Now, what do I mean by same or different signs? When we go to put this into two different binomials, first thing, I'm going to do two sets of parentheses. Boom, boom. If this is just x squared, a squared, whatever, a variable squared, that's going to be our first term in each of them. Not the squared version, but the square rooted version. Okay. Now, this is where the signs come in handy. This is a plus. This means that inside here, for our two binomials, they're going to be the same sign. If this is saying they are the same sign, we look at this one right here. So both signs are the same. They're both going to be this one. So I'm going to have plus, plus. I really like it when this is a plus here because it makes this next part a lot easier. I'm going to look for factors of 12 that add up to be 7. So factors of 12, let's see, we have 1 and 12. We have 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and I think that's all of them. Now, are there any combination of these that add up to be 7? Well, yeah, 3 and 4. So guess what our second term in each of these binomials are going to be? One's going to be 3. One's going to be 4. So this factors out to be x plus 3 times x plus 4. This is the answer that I am looking for. Okay? Nothing too fancy, nothing too over the top. So let's take a look at this next one. X squared minus 13x plus 42. Again, we look for the same thing. Okay, that's x squared, x. Okay, so we're good there. So I got two sets of parentheses. Boom, 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 boom. That's just x squared, so we have x and x. Plus, same signs. Minus, that means both of these down here are going to be minus now. All right. Now I need to find factors of 42 that add up to be 13. Well, there's 1 and 42. 2 and 21. 3 and 14. Not quite. Next would be 6 and 7. Oh, wait. There he goes. 6 plus 7 gives us 13. So our two binomials are x minus 6 and x minus 7. So that's what we do if this is a plus in front of our c. If it's plus, they are the same signs. You look at the sign up front here. Okay, plus, 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 minus, minus, minus. And this only works when it's in standard form, from highest power of x to lowest power of x. Okay. Now, I bet you're wondering what's going to happen if it's not a plus in front of the c. What if it's something else? X cubed minus 3x, or x squared, excuse me, minus 3x minus 130. Now it's different. It is now a minus, so it is a different sign. So what does that mean exactly? Well, we go to our parentheses. Boom, 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 boom. X, X. Different signs, that means one of these are going to be a plus, one's going to be a minus. Now, I'm going to look for factors of 130 that when we subtract them, give us negative 3. Let's see, there's 1, 130, 2, 65, 3, no, 4, no, 5. Oh, 5 and 26. Nope. Ooh, but 5 and 26. What if we change it to 10 and 13? If we do 10 minus 13, that would give us our negative 3. So since it's 10 minus 13, now position matters. I'm going to put the 10 with the plus. I'm going to put 13 with the minus. Earlier when we were doing it, the order does not matter, but here, as long as the 10 is with the plus and the 13 is with the minus, that's all that matters. So it could either be this or this. Either one of these two would work perfectly fine. X plus 10s, X minus 13s. As long as they're both accounted for, you're golden. Okay. Last one I want to do. X squared plus 10x minus 96. Okay. So, x squared, x, no x, minus with a plus. That plus just means the location of the larger number is going to be with a plus. So I'm going to have x plus something and x minus something. Factors of 96 that add up to be, or that subtract to be 10. Well, there's 1 and 96, 2 and 48. So we'll start with 3 and 32. Nope, not quite. 4 and 24. Nope, not quite. 5, no. 6 and 16. Ooh, okay, so we got to get a positive 10. If we did 16 minus 6, that would do it. So that means this is going to be 16 with a positive, 6 with a negative. And that right there is how you do some of the factoring. Now this is a little bit shorter video. I tried to keep it that way for you guys. I tried to simplify it down. Again, we're looking for two binomial answers. X squared, x, no x. This sign right here will tell you, inside are they the same or different signs. Minus is different, plus is same. And then it's just all about getting stuff with the right things. Factors of 130 that subtract to be negative 3. Boom. Factors of 96 that subtract to be 10. 16 minus 6. Done. Okay. Again, if you guys have any questions on anything, please just let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and I will see you guys all later.